Good evening everyone, welcome to Sapori di Casole. In today's recipe I'm gonna show you how we're gonna make a roasted thighs, chicken thighs with potato. Extremely simple. The only ingredients are chicken thigh, I've used the deboned already, potato, rosemary, garlic, salt and pepper, olive oil. Easy, fantastic. It takes a little bit of time to cook. It will take about 40 to 45 minutes in the oven, but the key point here is you prepare it, you come from work, you prepare it, you put it in the oven, you have a shower, you make yourself ready for the evening, and when you come out, this delightful dish is going to be ready for you. So stay on and please wait until the end of the video for the ingredient card, which I will show everything I've used and the quantity to compose the dish.
First things, we're gonna cut the potato. We need about 6 medium-sized potato for this dish. We'll cut them in square, just like so. Once we've done all of them, we're gonna put into a tray and we're gonna dress them with salt, pepper, oil, olive oil, to be exact, 4 or 5 cloves of garlic and rosemary, loads of it. I leave the garlic into the shirt, that's how it's called technically. Check your term, don't peel it off, leave it into its shirt. And rosemary. Add drizzle with olive oil. Now it's time to add the chicken. As you can see, the chicken is boneless. It was on offer on the supermarket, so it didn't cost me nothing. As an habit, every time I go for shopping, I'll see what's on offer. And in this case, that was on the section must go by the day, and I bought it, and I knew that I was going to cook it for myself on the day, so that's why I got it. And fantastic, is half for the price. Disclaimer, I'm not inviting you to buy stuff on the close by date, but that's just what I do for myself at time, because there is nothing wrong with it if you manage it and handle it properly. It has to be kept refrigerated. Put some seasoning, salt and pepper, black pepper to be exact, and mix it all together. I put the gloves, I do this type of job with the gloves because it's with the grease and stuff, with the oil and stuff. Now, top tips for you. When I do this kind of dish, I always put the potato at the bottom and I relay the chicken on the top. And what will happen is all the juice from the chicken, it will drop into the potato, give it the extra flavor to the vegetable. That's the mammoth trick. There we go, just like so. And at this point, I think it's ready to go into the oven. That went into the oven at 100 degrees for about 30 to 35 minutes. Static oven. And it is ready now. I'll take it out from the oven and I will dish it up for myself.
Ooh.
You never believe the smell that pours around the house. Look at that. Look. Look how nice it is. Fantastic. Great,
Wow,
great.
wow.
It wasn't planned, but I ended up be for myself. Ended up be by myself. So I had it for I made 3 meals out of it. And on the last meal, I did cook some tagliatelle pasta. And I chop off the chicken and the potato, made it more small, and cook the pasta and toss with it. But the main thing is doing as a main course or as a dinner. It is the best combination: potato, chicken, rosemary and garlic. Even if you just use those 3 ingredients, it is an absolute blowing of flavor. Absolutely. As usual, stay until the end, not long now, for the ingredient card. And if you like content like this, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Also leave me a comment that I'm happy to hear from you if you made the dish, or you plan to make it, or you want me to do something else.
I'm not gonna drink any wine on this time.
And that's it.
But
that's now you have it. See how beautiful it is. It is an absolutely joy to have a dish like that, especially when it's cold, windy and wet outside.
Roast chicken thighs with the potato, rosemary and garlic. Oof. Perfect, delicious. I couldn't wish for nothing else. This is delight. It's cold outside, very cold, but this is a treat. I'll thank you for staying with me until this time. Definitely I'm gonna have this one right now. I'm not gonna wait any longer because I'm really starving. I'm hungry.